Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the watch and placing it on a clean, static-free mat. This prevents accidental shorts and keeps tiny parts visible. Once done, remove the band and, if the model allows, the case back. Note every screw type and location for reassembly. Next, use a 1.5 to 2 mm precision screwdriver and plastic pry tools to expose the scroll button assembly. Use magnification to inspect for debris, corrosion, or a loose spring that commonly causes sticking. You now proceed methodically. Unclip ribbon connectors while holding the board steady, because tugging can tear traces. Once accessible, clean the button contacts and surrounding area with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab. This dissolves oils and grime without leaving residue. Then remove the button shaft and spring to inspect for burrs or deformation. A tiny file or micro-sanding stick can gently remove rough spots. Make sure to keep parts in order so reassembly matches. You reassemble by seating the spring and shaft in their original orientation and tightening screws just enough to secure components without stressing the PCB. Once reassembled, power on and test the scroll. Try light, medium, and firmer presses and nudge at angles to confirm smooth travel. If the button still misbehaves, swap the tactile switch or replace the entire button module. This resolves worn contacts. If problems persist after replacement, consult an authorized service to avoid damaging waterproof seals or voiding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.